Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to delete your Simple Life app account. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to open your app. Okay, and then you need to tap on your profile icon at the very top side. There is a option on profile. When you tap on the profile, you will see this kind of option in your app. Like there are lots of options. You need to scroll down at the very bottom side. There is a option delete your account. Once you select this option, it will pop up this kind of a screen. Okay, you can select 100% positive delete my data. Once you select this option, it will delete your data, it will delete your account. But before deleting your account, please cancel your subscription on this screen, like manage subscription. If you forget to cancel your subscription and if you delete your account, then subscription is activated and they are charging on your account again and again. They are going to charge on your account again and again. So before deleting your account, please cancel your all the subscription. Okay, so this is the answer for your question, how to delete your Simple Life app account. Okay, so now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.